Hi, this is a test on my iPhone SE that we got that we set up today. Technically yesterday. Echo, what time is it? Okay, Echo's deaf. Echo, what time is it?
It's 12:53 a.m.
Yeah, technically yesterday because we set it up on Saturday. So this is a sound quality test to see if I need headphones or not. Either way, I'm gonna upload it how it is. Because my iPhone 7 was like dying and being crappy. It was horrible. Um, um, Depression wise. Anyway, I saw through like a video about like depression and stuff. I think I don't know when I'll do it. I'll do it eventually. But yeah, I'm alive.